Number 19. We want to solve this equation for h. Remember, solve for something, in this case for h, means we want to isolate this h. We want to have this h alone. So let's first rewrite the equation. We have v equals 1/3 pi times r squared times h, and we want to isolate the h. Well, one way to think about this, if there is a fraction in an equation, the way to get rid of the fraction is multiply both sides by the denominator. So let's multiply both sides by 3. That's 3 times that, 3 times this. Then, of course, we can cancel that 3, and what we'll have is 3 times v equals pi times r squared times h. Now we want to have h here alone. And we remember I have here times and times. So how can I have h alone? I don't want to have this. I don't want to have this there. How would I get rid of that if it's multiplied? We're going to do the opposite. We're going to divide both sides by pi, and then also times r squared. Why I'm doing that? Why I have to do it on both sides? Because you cannot do that on one side. Whatever we do on one side of the equation, we have to do the same thing on the other side. Why? Because then we can cancel the pi, and then r squared, and h will stay alone, and that's what we wanted. That's what we wanted. So we are going to have h equals 3v over pi r squared, and that's the answer because we isolated the h, we solved for h, and looking at the options, that's option C.